To effectively eliminate bacterial buildup in your dishwasher's hard-to-reach areas, create a natural cleaning solution using white vinegar and baking soda. First, ease. Remove the filter and spray arms, then soak them in hot water with 2 cups of vinegar for 30 minutes. While these parts are soaking, sprinkle baking soda along the bottom edges and corners of your empty dishwasher where moisture tends to accumulate. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then spray vinegar over the baking soda until it fizzes. Run an empty hot water cycle to flush out the loosened bacteria and mineral deposits. This method is particularly effective for removing the pink or black bacterial film that often develops in the rubber seals and corners, and should be performed monthly to maintain a hygienic appliance.